Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
There's so much history in this. I would love to bring a camera in there and just reflect, but out of So we are going to try to go into the St. Miguel Arcanjo Cemetery. So that's going to be that one right there. And then you can just kind of see some of the other stuff here. The Fire Museum, St. Paul Ruins, Lazarus District, the Fortress, which is directly up that hill. And the cemetery that we're going to be looking at right here is this whole blue one. So stay tuned and we'll show it to you. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so let's go on in here. So we're gonna try to go into this space right here, this big blue one. So let's walk up there and see if we can get in or not. Okay, this is it right here. And those are the hours. And usually, like, Chinese usually won't film or take pictures in cemeteries. Oh, okay. Well, I'll just walk through it. I'll just kind of tell you later. Okay, so I just captured mostly of the church. I'm not going to film in there or speak because I want to respect the sign, but at least you kind of have an idea. I saw some really beautiful ones though. There's so much history in this. I would love to bring a camera in there and just reflect, but out of respect I will not. But at least you kind of got an idea of it. It's a Catholic cemetery, so you'll see all the references to that, a lot of mostly Portuguese as well. So let's just end this particular video, and this is where the cemetery is of St. Michael's Archangel. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.